Sorry I messed up my camera, my phone thing. Okay, but I accomplished it, okay. I pulled the speaker out, okay. As you can see, I pulled the speaker out, and there's the wiring harness. I disconnected it, okay. Had 4 bolts, 10mm bolts, unbolted it, pulled it out, but you want to be gentle so it don't bump this plastic and tear it and stuff. So anyways, this black framing right there can stay in there to do this job. Already accomplished what I'm doing. Okay, see this right here? That's your gas tank thing that I've been trying to get to. Right there, that's it. And I already done it. Now when you stick your hand in here, you can stick your hand in through this speaker hole and grab it like this. And then you want to turn it counterclockwise, which is the opposite direction a clock hand goes if you're retarded. So anyways, you turn it counterclockwise and it comes undone. Okay, mission accomplished. Now, we have this thing right here. Okay, of course I'm going to have to undo this cable here. But we got this black lip right here, and you turn this sucker clockwise to undo him. See, I already got the tab right there undone. That's what I've been trying to do. So this video shows you how to remove the rear subspeaker and how to do this gas tank thing. So what I say, clockwise, we're going to turn it. Does it unscrew or pull up? It might. Hold on. I'll let you know when I do it. Hold on. Alright, I will show you this. I'm going to use this little cobalt crowbar thing. I'm going to stick him right here behind the actual stuff. Stick him in there as far as he goes and try to pry him off. Because we want him to come off because we got to reuse him. Be gentle. Work it. Sorry. Fuck, I almost had it. Now we don't care about damaging the plastic on the actual gas tank because we're replacing it. Okay, look at that. Alright. Looks like I can reuse that tab. See that? That has some little teeth on there. It has some little teeth. I can reuse that. That's what I dislocated, was the thing that holds the gas cap on. This sucker's supposed to go clockwise. I don't know if you just keep turning it till it unscrews off. So let me try to pull the actual gas cap off. Maybe that might help. This is supposed to go clockwise. Okay, I guess you pull it clockwise and pull up. Let me put some brute strength on it. Hold on. Alright, you do turn it clockwise. If you don't if you're confused like I just was, okay. It's actually like on this black part under here, you can actually see a little notch when you look at it, and you can see where the grooves are and which way to turn it. But yeah, you turn it one way and then you slide it straight off, so it should come straight off. There it goes. Just like that. Now we can pull the whole assembly out. Now, the gas tank lid is the last thing we're going to take off, because all you do is unscrew that, and then you got these clamps here to undo. But yeah, it looks like the whole thing's ready to come out. This little retainer clip in the middle has to come out, and I'm going to break it because it's a one-time thing, but you'll see. Now to get in here with my tools to pry this thing, but as you can see, I already broke it. So I mean, it's going to break when you take it out. See that shit right there? As you can see, little clips on the back broke smooth off. You know, there's like 4 of them. Anyways, yeah. Now the whole thing should come out like ba-bam. I might have to put the phone down, but looks like it's gonna come out, because I'm gonna have to use both hands to do this. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so far, pulling this rubber shit out is a pain in the fucking ass. I think it has tabs right here where these dots are. There's like 4 of them. Yeah, that sucker is hard. The easiest way I found was to grab it up here on top. You can see it kind of moving right there. Yeah, you can see it kind of moving. Anyways, grab it up here with both hands and pull and pry. But yeah, I'm still working at it. Might end up trying to cut it off. Alright, I don't want to spoil it for you, but I actually tore it. I actually stuck something in these little holes right here, and pulled back and got my finger in there. Started pulling on this. Actually started tearing it out because, like I said, I'm replacing it. I don't give a shit about this part. So, but anyways, yeah, I'm actually having to destroy it to get it out of there. Hold on. This is interesting. You see, it looks like I removed the whole, like, the rubberized part, like the soft rubber. As you see here, how it like tore perfectly there and everything. Now this is hard plastic. This ain't soft rubber. The part I removed is soft rubber. So anyway, see that right there? Yeah, it's almost there. Almost got it. Alright, you see here's the little gas tank. I had tape on the back side though so I don't damage it. There's the assembly removed. Yeah. Bunch of bullshit. Anyways, the back of this is all plastic tabs. It's all plastic shit. So anyways, I gotta keep this. I gotta pull the gas tank lid off of it now and switch it over. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that before or after I put the new one on. I guess I probably ought to go ahead and put it on the new tank, huh? Now what I want to do is clean all this up with a wet rag, all that filth right there. I like to take a wet rag, clean everything up before I put the new parts on. That's what's coming next. Alright. Hold on. Alright. As you can see now, we got our new assembly. Got our gas door on it. Got an arrow pointing up. Got it all taped up so we don't damage it. Hold on, this shit don't look right. I gotta fix something. Alright, on this little gas tank, this is what I messed up on. See the edging right here? Okay, after you get your 4 clamps put in there and you put your little bolt on, don't screw the bolt down all the way. What you want to do is line this up, make sure all the edging's lined up before you tighten that bolt. That's what I messed up on a while ago, but I just fixed it. So, I think I got my gas door and everything on there. So to install this thing is pretty self-explanatory. I already cleaned everything up. So, anyways, gotta kind of close it. I need both hands to do this.